Ever wondered how creative people, social media influencers, content creators, and entrepreneurs make their profile photos look so creative, eye catching, and professional? You might think you need to hire a graphic designer or learn graphic designing skills. No worries. In this video, I'll show you a magic tool that can turn your normal photo into an awesome social media profile picture for Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp, LinkedIn instantly. You will learn how to create an awesome social media profile picture with AI in just a few seconds. I'm Saif from Digi Whisper. Make sure to check the pinned comment and the description for the website links you don't want to miss. And let's jump straight into it. This is the website I'm going to show you now. So here you can see there is an option upload your photo. Just click here and upload your photo. It's my normal photo. Let's say this one I want to use today. And first make some adjustment of your photo, and then if you want to rotate it, you can just drag it to rotate your photo. So now I'm clicking here in the next button and see the magic happens. So here are different types of canvas style. The first one is circle, and this is the most common types of use case. See, there are different types of style you can get here, so you can go through all of them as per your requirements. And the next one is Viber Clubhouse. You can click here and it will create exactly these types of shape for you. And the next one is square. So see, these are the square shape design of your profile picture, and this is just rounded. See, the rounded type profile picture. And the next one is Instagram, and see, these all are for Instagram type profile picture. And here they are categorized it into different types. Let's say the first one is color set 1, next one is color 2024, the next one is professional, the next one is social media, and the next one is black and white, and then this is the next. So here are different types of texture, so you can go through all of them and select your ones. Let's say I want to keep it simple and I want to go for circle shape, and let's say this one is perfect for me, and I can just click here to the download png button and my profile picture will be downloaded. So click here and see, this is the profile picture I wanted. And now you can see other available features as well. So here are the customized option. You can click here to customize your profile picture furthermore. You can check all of them one by one. You can save as template as well. And now here is another option for more. You can click here to open template page and share these templates with other people. So this is pretty simple. You don't need to sign up at all. So you can use it completely free. That's it for today. If this tip helped you today, subscribe for more digital tool hacks every week. I'm Saif and I will see you in the next video.